Multiply 13 by 35 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. 5 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 6. The first partial product is 65. Now use the tens digit, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. The second partial product is 390. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 6 plus 9 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 3 plus the carried 1 is 4. The product of the whole numbers is 455. So 13 times 35 is 455.